treat for you coming from Australia. You guys, we thought it'd be really fun to give you a tour of the Airbnb we are staying in.
Guys, it is amazing.
It is so amazing, guys. Our minds were blown when we walked through the doors for the first time, and we cannot wait to show you this place. If you're ever in Australia, you have to look up this place. It's called Aquila Retreat.
It's best to come here with a lot of people.
Yes. It's a big place, but it can hold up to, I think, 27 people. It can sleep up to 27 people, which is crazy.
Comfortably as well.
A lot of businesses come here, people with big families, different things like that. We obviously were expecting more people to stay here with us. Our group size is pretty small for this entire place, but it's been awesome.
Yeah, it's been a ton of fun.
So guys, we are actually standing in this little yoga retreat area that's across the street from the house. But let me show you this. This is so cool. So it's this little like open hut. So it's open air, it's out in the rainforest, which is so cool. They have yoga mats, they have a big gong thing, so you know when yoga's in session. Namaste. They have classes that are taught on another place on the property that guests can actually attend for free 2 days a week. So that's kind of a cool thing. We didn't go, we were busy doing stuff, but that's a really cool thing too.
That's way cool. Let's see your best yoga pose.
Like this.
Whoa, wait a second, I gotta get further back. Let's see that again. There you go. Oh my gosh. It looks like you're sitting on a chair.
I am, Jared. Welcome. Come start yoga. Directly across from this, look at this amazing bungalow, you guys. So this is the main house. We have the pool area over to the side. Quite a few people in my family are hanging out in the pool right now. There's a jacuzzi, which is awesome. We'll show you more of that in a second. But the driveway to this place, you guys, is mega long. You drive up to this place, it's up at the top of the mountain. You drive up and then you come down this incredible driveway that's lined with palm trees, and you just automatically feel like relaxed, like you're out in the rainforest, which is so cool. One of my favorite things about this place is the front door. I've never seen a front door like this, and I think it's so beautiful. Just the woodwork, and it has these huge handles on it. So, should we go inside?
Let's go check it out.
To Aquila Retreat. Check out this entryway. First of all, I have to say, Heidi, the owner, did an amazing job decorating this place. It is so cute. It's a really bohemian, tropical mixture vibe, and it is gorgeous. So when you walk in, they have all these really eclectic like bookshelves with live plants that are going all throughout it. Heidi was telling me that she's collected tons of these things from all over the world, and the lighting in here, you guys, is so cool. I cannot get over this. Like, even look at this. This is a turtle shell, and there's live plants everywhere in this home, which is so, so cool. Let me take you into the main room, which is just breathtaking. It's so cool. You walk in here, and look at this! Is this not incredible? So it has this huge vaulted ceilings in here, and the lights are just out of this world cool. This is the main family room in here. There are so many seats in here, which has been so much fun. We've played games in here. We've just hung out and relaxed in here after beach days. Like, it has been so much fun. The decor in here just blows my mind. It's so fun with all the bright colors everywhere. Honestly, she was telling me about all the different art pieces. Like, check this out. This is an art installation. Just every little detail in this home is beautiful. This is just an incredible room. We've had so much fun in here. I love these lights. We were talking about like how fun a vibe this is with the tropical, the Moroccan.
That we should probably have these inside our own house.
We were saying these lights are so cool. And the other ones, I gotta show you guys. They're over here in the kitchen. Check out this kitchen, you guys. First of all, this table is so big. It seats everyone. We've had breakfast, dinners here. It's so much fun. Such a beautiful table as well. And then over here, one of the coolest things in this home are all the light fixtures, you guys. Look how these are just hung at different lengths, different heights. The owners were telling us when they bought this place, instead of wanting to redo the ceiling and stuff, they just wanted something that would kind of be fun and be a showstopper, and those lights are so fun. kitchen, one of the best parts of the house. We have spent so much time in here cooking meals. So the owners, when we're right here, we gotta show you how cute. This is chalkboard. It said, welcome Brittany and family. So I was working with her on booking this place. Look how sweet this is. So the hosts, Heidi and Kim, their husband and wife, they welcomed us with this card with the cutest message, just saying they want us to feel comfortable and feel at home. And they also left us, you guys, these are fresh farm eggs. How awesome is that? Fresh loaf of bread, but then check this out. In this fridge, you guys, they stocked it with milk, yogurts, this amazing gift basket with like cheese and olives, this cute welcome card again, yummy treats. Look at this amazing fruit basket. Oh, Jared, look how cool. Like so many fun fruits to try. That looks like papaya, and I think this is called dragon fruit, watermelon. Seriously, how sweet are they? Awesome about Airbnbs is everything comes stocked with dishes, silverware, everything. Like anything you can imagine this place has, which is so cool. And one of our favorite features in here is they have a washing machine in the kitchen for like dish towels and different things like that. We've never seen this before. Jared and I were dying over this. This is not only a washer, but it's a dryer too. Like,
have you guys ever seen that before? Like, that's crazy to me.
Is this common? Maybe anyone out there in Australia, is this common, like to have in your homes? A washer slash dryer? Like,
or anyone outside the US.
Yeah, like that is so awesome. This is literally my dream kitchen, you guys. Look how awesome it is. It has a big island, these awesome lights, and the thing that just puts this over the top, you guys, is this view outside. You literally feel like you are in the jungle when you're standing here. Jared, do you want to show them outside?
Yeah, let's see outside. Guys, isn't this absolutely amazing? I mean, look at this. Look at this giant table they have, seating for like 150, it feels like.
It just keeps going.
You got this old medieval chandelier.
How awesome is this, you guys? This is beautiful. It's like Moroccan style lamp.
Glass chandelier over here.
They have one on each side that kind of frames it. Even the ceiling, you guys, check out the ceiling here. It is just gorgeous.
This is actually a really cool part about this house, is that I was talking to the owner and he was saying that when they built this house, there was a ton of planning that went into it ahead of time. They bought all this land and there wasn't a whole lot of vegetation here. They then planned how they're going to position the house with the exact view that they wanted, and then after that they planted the vegetation around the house. So the house itself and the vegetation around it was completely planned and thought out beforehand. So guys, check out this amazing view.
So if you come over here, the whole house is wrapped with these balconies, but it literally just is lined with the beautiful trees. You have a view down below and all around, which is so, so cool. Down here, you guys, is a little garden where they grow fresh fruits and veggies and different things, and they let their guests go down and pick out whatever they want to cook with. So we've gotten strawberries from there and tomatoes and some herbs. So
super cool.
So cool. You feel like you're like living off the land here, which is awesome.
Except you're living in a mammoth house.
Yeah.
Come check this out. So this is like a bar stool eating area.
We eat breakfast out here a lot until we saw a giant spider.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Big old spider right there.
Look how awesome this is. It's a sit-up bar though, and you just overlook the rainforest out here. You can hear the birds. It is just beyond beautiful.
So this is really cool, you guys. Not only do they have a kitchen inside on the main level, they also have a kitchen outside.
Yeah.
So here's a fridge. Outdoors.
They do a ton of catering and events here. They do weddings here, so they have all these big fridges for catering.
Here's an ice maker.
An ice maker for drinks.
We got a full-on sink, grill.
We use that to barbecue.
We got a stove and an oven. Like, there's literally everything you want out here.
And one of my favorite parts is this little sitting area. It is so cute. Like, this is just dreamy. Check out these swings. So they have a ton of these swings all over the patio.
She's in one. There's one back there and there's one right here.
There's like 5 over here. So we've been loving coming out here at night and just swinging and talking. And then as you can see, there's a full bench that could probably fit 20 plus people on it.
Not only do they have all of this, but there's also a pathway just down here that goes down into the jungle.
It leads down to this pond and this big open area. There's like a bamboo forest down there.
In fact, we did a hike just earlier today that will show you guys that right now.
We got breakfast going this morning. We got Nick and Tiff making some delicious eggs. So peaceful out here. These trees, we'll take in a little walk down here. These trees are huge. So beautiful.
All right, guys, we are about to do a pretty awesome hike straight from the backyard of our Airbnb. This should be pretty awesome because it goes down straight into the jungle onto a dirt path where there's like bamboo and all sorts of vegetation. Should be pretty sweet. So check this out, guys. Here's our Airbnb. Here's the pathway.
Lena's helping me, you guys. We are in the jungle of Australia.
I wish you guys were here with us.
You guys, check out this tree.
Look at the roots down below. Oh,
It is huge.
that is amazing.
We're legitimately in the thick of the jungle right now, and it's just right next to our Airbnb. It's awesome.
It's on the property.
Yeah, it's on the property. Oh, you hear that noise?
Something like here.
Sounds like an old rickety ship.
Oh my gosh, it's like crazy.
Sound is awesome.
The ships are moving.
This is amazing to see this big of bamboo like this.
Apparently out this way is where kangaroos come out at dusk and dawn. We have yet to see any wild kangaroos, but they said if you do come out here during dusk or dawn, that there's a very high chance that you will see them. So I think we will have to come back later tonight in hopes that we can possibly see one.
We're just making the journey back.
Wow, you guys, that was just incredible.
So pretty out here. So tropical.
Yeah. It's like I told Brittany, can you believe we're walking in the outback in Australia?
It is crazy.
It is crazy.
And luckily we didn't see any spiders, so that's good.
No, we didn't. Too bad we didn't see a kangaroo or a...
I know, we really want to see one.
Yeah,
in a
we
while.
do. Well, we think we do.
We got a duck.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little crazy around here.
All right, guys, let's head on back up and continue our house tour.
Want me in your film?
Yeah.
I'm a movie star.
Kiss, kiss,
Little cuties. Woo!
I think we need to see another kiss.
Oh my gosh, Jared.